As far as the word Nisaab is concerned, Nisaab is an amount laid down by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the minimum amount that when it reaches, and it keeps on changing on different properties. When it reaches that level on which zakat is compulsory, then that minimum limit is called as the Nisaab. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it compulsory that zakat should be given only when a person reaches Nisaab, is for many reasons. Number one, those people who are poor, they will not be unnecessarily taxed with it, with the zakat. And furthermore, those who are rich will surely have to pay the zakat from their surplus wealth. Secondly, it is an insurance against those countries who want to levy a tax on the needy and the poor. So Nisaab has been laid down. That means they cannot tax a person who is below the Nisaab level. So it is insurance against those countries who want to levy a tax on the needy and the poor. Furthermore, a person who wants to know whether he should pay zakat or not. So if he knows his surplus wealth, his excess wealth has reached the Nisaab level, he knows that he has to pay. As far as the person who is rich, for him, if he is wealthy, so all the excess wealth but natural is liable for zakat.